Hey guys, I'm Raincloud.
I built a robot. Another one. So this guy is, I built it out of a little two-wheel drive wheelie bot thing that you can get at the dollar store for like 10 bucks. And I added an FR Sky receiver that I've been using on all my other stuff because yet again, my flying machine stuff is bunk. I got some bad ESCs and whether it's the ESCs or me, everything got fried, and that's neither here nor there. Shout out to the Greensboro guys. They helped a lot with diagnosing which parts were good still and la-di-da. So this is the thing. And this is currently made out of foam, but eventually this will be a saw blade. This is tank drive. Both of these wheels drive independently, which is neat. There is a brushless motor here, rated for 3S, and this is actually an arm off of one of my old quad frames. And on the inside, down in here, there's another, that's the same arm that I've got chopped off and bolted on. Currently, in the state that it's in, this is prototype V1. Everything's taped together. Nothing is safe or complete. And obviously, like I said, the really dangerous weapon is made out of foam core. And that's that. It only currently, I've got a 9-volt battery in it. It's rigged up. It's wired to run on 3S for the motor. And I've got a tiny little Sky Viper motor that is 3.7 volts that's running the receiver and the wheels. And it actually is really fast compared to what I thought I'd get out of it. So I'm going to power it up and give you a quick showdown of what this thing can do. All right, so there it is. So the throttle channel on this drives the actual weapon, and then I've got this mixed to where the joystick over here is forward, backward, left, and right. And currently you see I've only got the one wheel turning, but that's just a matter of mixing. But it's pretty great. I thoroughly enjoy driving this thing. So, the 9-volt battery is really dead that's powering the weapon, and it really can't do anything, but we're gonna give it a shot. So, here is a lighter. It'll stand up. Oh my goodness. All right, lighter, and the weapon. Prepare for impact! Oh. Oh. Yeah! All right, there you have it, folks. This is the, what is this thing called? This is the Love Bug. This is the Raincloud Love Bug. Thanks for watching.
Perfect.